Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to match with someone on Tinder, and we will try to explain how this process happened. So when you open your Tinder account and when you create your Tinder account and you will start liking people, Tinder will start learning about the style of people that you want to see in the app and the style of the people that you want to match with. So that's why Tinder will start showing you the people that you have like big percentage to match with them. And if you like just click on that green heart on the app, it will get your like, and at some point it will also show your profile to the other person. And if the other person click also on that green heart, you will match. And that means you can start a conversation together, because if only one person clicked on that green heart, you can't start the conversation with them and you can't send them a message if you are the only one who liked the person. And for that, Tinder are using like a system that is based on AI, and it's called Tinder Sparks. And with this system, they are trying to just show you the people that you may be interested on them, and of course the people who meet the criteria that you have chosen. And you can choose those criteria by clicking on the settings icon on the top left of the screen. And here you can choose if you want like people who live in the same city with you, and you can also choose the maximum distance between you and the other person, and the age range that also you like for those people. And also you can add those other criterias. And after that, like I told you, Tinder will start showing you people who meet those criterias, and for the other people it's also the same. And if you are having a subscription with Tinder, like Tinder Platinum, this will give you some advantages like the priority likes. So also you will be shown to people, and your profile will be shown to people before other profiles. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.